Hello guys, today we are going to make a website. So to make a website, first of all we need to have a folder in order to organize our file carefully. So I'll just create a folder here and I will give a name for this website. Okay, and I will open this website folder, and here I will right click and I'm selecting here open with code because I have Microsoft Visual Studio text editor. So you can do it with Notepad, Notepad++ or any other text editor. So I'll just simply click here and open my Visual Studio in order to access this folder inside my Visual Studio. So here I will just create, you can see my website folder is here, and I will create a HTML file inside this index.html, and I will add some Microsoft Studio templates. So you can do this by pressing 1 and shift, and here I will just give a title for my website, Maruf Fitness. Okay, let's see. And here I'm open with live server. Let's see, we have added title here. You can see here title is already added, Maruf Fitness. So what I will do, I will here just divide this web browser into 3 parts for our website. The first part we will add a logo here. The next part in this mid or center position, here we will add our navigation bar, and the next is here in the right position we will add something, and then we will decide later, or we will add some buttons here. So let's go. So in order to do this, we need to create div or header dot header. Header is what? Header is a class, and the tag is also header, and class also header. So inside this header, I'll just create 3 div dot left, I am left, div dot mid, I am mid, div dot right, I am right. And let's see, I'm left, I'm mid, I'm right. So let's add a border for this also. So let's go to the CSS part. In CSS part, here below the title, I will just add style, and I will access my class. To access the class, dot left, because my class name is my class is left, and in order to access a class, we have to add dot. We can access a class by using dot. So what I will do here, I will just add a border here, border 2 pixel 2px solid red, and dot mid border 2 pixel solid green. Same for the right one also, dot right border 2px solid yellow. Let's see, and here you go. We got a red border for left and green border for the mid and right border for the yellow border for the yellow we got a yellow color border for our right. So I want to bring this mid in the center position and right in the right position. So to do that, let's go and we will come back up into our CSS, and in here I'll add a display in line block, and I will give a margin top 20 pixel as well as left 20 pixel and position absolute. Same for the right one also, in order to move it in the right position. So same thing we will do for the right one also, the same steps. We will add a display and line block, top 20 pixels and right, because it's in right, so we will add a margin right 34 or 32 or 32 pixel and position absolute. Let's see here. So as you can see here, left is in the left position already and right is in the right position, and let's bring the mid also in the center position in here. So in order to bring the mid in the center position, we must have a margin from top 20 pixel and auto. This is necessary. In order to bring something in the center position, we have to do these steps, and width is also necessary. So I will say 45% and display block. So in order to bring something in the center position, these three things is necessary. Otherwise your navigation will not come into the center. So let's see. As you can see, it moves into the center. So what I will do here, I will just add a navigation bar here in the center. So I'll go in Notepad, in mid class, and in here I'll just create a UL, and I'll give a class for my UL nav bar, because we are creating a navigation bar, and here I will create a li list, and inside li I will add a anchor tag a. I'll just simply enter home, and I will copy this three times. The first one is home and the second one is about us. Fitness calculator, and the last one here, contact us. So let's see it. As you can see here, so let's rotate it. So to rotate it, we will just go back to our CSS file. We can rotate it by using our CSS. So I'll just simply dot nav bar, sorry, I will add a display here and line, sorry, and line block. Let's see, not rotated. So let's do same thing for our UL also, li. So I will say dot navbar. Inside our navbar we have li, and we say display, change the display into and line block. See, so it is changed. Now let's change the text decoration into none. So to do that, we have to call a anchor tag, a, this one here. So let's come to our CSS and dot nav bar. Inside nav bar we have a, and we will say text decoration is equal to none. See, and here you are. So let's go again and let's add some font size 22 pixel, and the next is margin and padding how much, 9 pixel to 10 pixel. Let's see here, as you can see here, margin padding is applied successfully. So now let's change our background. So to change background, we can just come to here, and this is called CSS reset. I'll just comment out CSS reset, and I will add here body and body background URL. Okay, so I want to bring a photo here. I don't have a photo. Let's see here. I'll just simply add this photo, these two. One is for logo and one is for background. I will simply click paste it here, and I'll change the name into BG. Okay. And in here I will add bg dot jpg. Here you are. So let's resize it. Background size cover, and right now it's fixed. So let's change the font color also, color to white, as well as let's add something more also, margin 0 pixel, padding 0 pixel. Okay, so I want to add a color and a hover for my navigation bar. So to add a color, we will just go and simply here in the mid side I will say color white, and sorry, in here we have to add it in A. Here you are. Color is changed, and let's add some hover also. So dot nav bar A hover, color change to green. As you can see, color change to green. So the navigation or the mid part is finished. Let's come to the left side. In the left side we have to bring a logo. So let's go to our HTML part. In here, in the left side, I'll just simply delete this I'm left, and in here I'll say img, and inside img logo dot jpg, Ctrl S. As you can see, logo is here, but I want to resize, so I'll just go back to my CSS part. In here, left dot dot left img. Inside left we have an image, so I will say change the weight. Weight is equal to 50 pixel and height is equal to 50 pixel. Let's see, here you are, it's resize. So let's add some border also, border reduce 20 pixel, and it is changed the way that I want. And let's add some text below the photo also. So to add here, we will just here add a div and maru fitness here, but I want to bring this photo into the center. So as I have mentioned you guys before, in order to bring a photo or something, a navigation bar in center, we should follow 3 rules. Where is img, left dot img. So what I will add here, we have weight here, and we will just add margin auto and display block. Ctrl S, save. So you can see here the photo is in the center. So this part is also finished. Let's come into the right part. In the right part we will add some buttons. So we will go in the right. Here I'm right. I will just create button dot, and I will give a class for my button btn and +2. I want 2 buttons. So one is call now and the second is email now. Here, so let's add CSS, some CSS in order to look better. So here I'll just call my button btn because I got a btn name. I'll say margin 20 pixel and padding 15 px 15 px and background black. Okay, and let's see. Okay, so let's change the color into white. So, and also let's add some border, 2 pixel solid gray. You can see. So let's add also border radius, border 20 or 8 pixel, and you can see. Let's resize this some. Mm, 10 to 10. As you can see here, let's add some padding more. I'll say 20, and let's decrease the size of here. What we need, I will change it into 14 or 13, and in here I will change it to 20. Sorry, 20. Let's see now. Okay, 28, and so it's changed now. So left is also resized, and mid is also, right is also. So let's add some form here in here. I will just simply create a container here, div dot container. Inside here I will add h2, and here I will write join the best gem of couple. Okay, so let's add some margin in order to separate it from this upper part, left part. So to add here, let's come back to our CSS file. In here we will call our container dot container, and we will add a margin 70 pixel, and padding also 40 pixel, and border 2 pixel solid white, and width, let's give a width for this, width 50%, and let's give a border radius into 10 pixel. Let's see. As you can see, it's changed the way that we want. So let's add some form inputs. So we will come here and we will create a form form we will give form group form and none. Action is equal to none dot php, and let's add a class also for this form. Class we can say form 1 or form group, and inside this form group we have to add input, and input we should have placeholder, and in placeholder insert your name. So let's copy this. Okay, enter your name. The second is enter your last name, last name. The next is enter your phone number, and here enter your email. Let's copy this again, or I have already copied it, and I will add enter your address. Let's see, and as you can see here, let's remove this, Ctrl S. So let's add some CSS in order to look better. What we will do, we will just come here, form group and input dot form group. Inside the input add a margin 3 pixel or 5 pixel to 40 pixel. Sorry, margin from top only. From top 5 pixel or 3 pixel is okay. 2 pixel. We will change it later. Padding also. So padding 4 pixel and 20 pixel from left and right pixel. Border reduce. Border reduce 8 pixel. Let's see. And here you are. So I want to bring this into the center. So as I have said to you before, in order to bring something in center, what we need to add, we need to display into block. We need to make the display block, and we need to make the margin also here bottom, and width here also width should be 50%. wait, let's go, and here you are. So in here, one more thing we need to add a button to submit our form. So let's go. In here we will add a button and we will give it class btn. Sorry, we should have a name for the submit. Submit. And let's bring this placeholder into center also. So what I will do here, I will just align item or align text align center. And one thing more we have to do, we have to add a little bit more border 3. Let's see, here you are. And let's remove all these borders from here, left and right. From left, remove the border, and from mid, remove the border. The next is from right, here is right, so I have from right, remove the border. As you can see, this is our website, so you can change the color of these buttons and these also, or I will just come here and I will change the color of btn font size 22 pixels. You can see this is our website. Hope you liked this video and enjoy from this session. Thank you so much.